Welcome back. Further to the last video, this is another quick effect that you can do using a very cool plugin from Reactor. Make sure you have Reactor installed. I have put a link to another of my videos that shows you how to do that. Go to the Fusion page, you will see here the composition from the previous video. In this one I only have the red channel with a transform node. Go to Workspace, Scripts, Reactor, open Reactor. This will load the Reactor plugin. Search for Suck Less Audio and install it. This will install the modifier to appear in the context menu when you right-click on an element in the inspector that you want to modify. Select the transform node that's connected to the red channel, then go to the inspector. Right-click on the center position, then select Modify with Audio. This is the new modifier that we just installed. Note, many of your nodes will flash red. Don't worry, this is just because we need to give the modifier a WAV file to use. Go to the Modifiers tab and select Browse. Find your music file in your file system and add it. Music with strong beats work well for this. I downloaded this track off Uppbeat Music. I have put a link in the description. Set the mode to maximum. Bring the amplitude scale down to 0.3 and the amplitude offset down to 0.5. This will vary depending on the music you use, so you will likely need to adjust this accordingly. Go back to your timeline and add the music to your timeline to be aligned with your clip. Note I downloaded an MP3 and converted to WAV for the modifier. When you play back you should see you're in time with the music effect. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe.